Hello guys. So again we are going to start another important topic of Java.lang package. This is another method available inside object class, and this is a clone method. Clone method is just especially used to clone existing object and to maintain a backup copy. Why do we need a backup copy? So आप समझ सकते हैं कि बैकअप कॉपी हमको क्यों चाहिए, बैकअप हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? To restore, right? If something goes wrong, then we have to restore it. So backup copy, especially if in unwanted situation, we can recover the object. Okay, that is, if something goes wrong, we can recover the situation by using the backup object. Okay, we can perform cloning by using clone method of object class. Okay, protected native. This is the definition of clone method. Okay, this is the actually this is a method. Okay, now the idea is which object can be cloned. The first question is which object. The process of creating exactly duplicate copy is called cloning. But what is possible to clone? Which type of object can be cloned? So only a clonable object can be cloned. It means a class which is implemented by clonable interface. The class which is implementing a clonable interface. जो भी क्लोनेबल इंटरफेस को इम्प्लीमेंट करेगा दैट क्लास ओनली कैन have facility of clone. Okay, that object can only be cloned. So this is a sample class. Okay, here is the class and output will be 10, 20, 888 and 999. Okay, so I will show you what is this. Like class test implements clonable. You can note down this example. Int I is equal to 10 and j equal to 20. Public static void main string asks clone not supported. Test t1 equal to new test. Okay, test t2 is equal to test of t1 dot clone. So t1 created the clone. Now t2 dot I is equal to j and t2 dot j is equal to 999. So I we have given 888 and j we have given 999. Now if we print t1 dot I and t1 dot j, it is printed 10 and 20. Okay, that is the t1. Now t2 stores the clone copy of this, and now t2 is modified with this. Now t2 is having difference. The clone object is definitely working in a separate place. This is a new object, new location it is getting created. No need to run this guys on the Eclipse. You can it's very easy. Okay, what we have done here is t2 is cloned. Okay, copy of t1. Now this will be referring to the cloned object. Now this is completely a new address and this is a new address. Both addresses are separate. Okay, so if you modify t2, t1 will not be modified. This is what it is showing. Now we can perform cloning only for clonable objects that I already have said, right? An object is said to be clonable if and only if the corresponding class implements clonable interface. What is clonable interface? Maybe something is coming in your mind. Okay, maybe you are thinking कि clonable interface क्या है भाई. तो हमने clonable interface का भी definition तैयार किया है कि clonable interface presents in java.lang package and it does not contain any method. This is an interface which is actually blank. Surprise, right? An interface which does not have any method, does not have anything, and that is clonable. Oh my god, simply right. So clonable interface is a marker interface. Marker interface is such type of interface, or we can call marker interface to such interfaces which does not have any method inside it. That is especially nothing will be inside the interface, and that interface will be called marker interface. And the capability, okay, capability will be provided automatically, okay, by the JVM for such interfaces where the required ability will be provided by the JVM automatically, guys. Now let us see what is a shallow and deep cloning. This is also a question, interview type of question. Shallow cloning and deep cloning. The process of creating just a duplicate reference variable but not duplicate object is called shallow cloning. Duplicate reference. Okay, so we are assigning t1 to t2. So it is just a assignment. it is not cloning. Okay, so it's shallow cloning. The process of creating exactly independent duplicate object, independent address, new hash code, that is called deep cloning, and that deep cloning is possible using the clone method. That is what we have seen it. So system.out.println t1.hashcode equals to t2.hashcode. Both will be having different hash code. Cloning by default, deep cloning, get class method. Okay, this method, what is the get class method? This is another method inside the object class. Okay, this is another method inside the object class. So this method returns runtime class definition of an object. Runtime class definition. Example, test implements clonable. Now object O, new object Bhaskar. System.println O dot get class dot get name. So it will give you O का get class और उसका नाम it will give to java.lang dot string, because this is of a string type. O is of a string type. That is only runtime object of O is string type. So guys, we are done with clonable method, get class method. Okay, next we'll learn an important class. Almost we have completed all the mandatory methods inside object class. Hope if you have missed, please visit my channel and look for the equals method, then get class method, then clone method, then toString method, then hash code method, what is the relation between hash code and toString methods, and other things. So guys, please visit my channel and look for the proper video, and definitely don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you.